Hi, welcome to this one-take bike review of the Boardman HYB 8.8. So I'll let you have a little look around the bike and then we'll go into some details. Okay. So the frame set. So you get an aluminium frame set that's triple butted and hydroformed. You get super skinny seat stays. You get a quick release. You get a replaceable gear hanger. You get rack mounts and mudguard eyes. You get 2 bottle cages. You don't get a mudguard on the frame, and you get a carbon tapered fork with no mudguard mounts. And so it's a very light bike, triple butted. As a frame set, yeah, I think it's pretty good. So the components, what do you get? So you get, as standard, Schwalbe Citizen K-Guard tyres. You get quite basic Shimano hubs. You get hydraulic disc brakes from Shimano. You get, let's have a look around here, you get this one-piece Boardman stem and handlebar combo. You get Deore shifter 10 speed. You get FSA chain set. You get Well-Go pedals, and you get a Shimano Deore rear mech with a clutch. Excuse me. You get 10 speed cassette, and you get Boardman alloy deep well rims. So the spec is really good. You also get alloy seat post and a standard Boardman sort of saddle. The build, let's have a look. So these wheels have all been smoothed. The ones in there haven't, but the ones here have. Looks really tidy. Ones on the end here. This is the place to look to see how well your bike has been built. Yeah, the build is really good. The look, I think it's striking to look at. Really good looking bike. I think it's a bit of a head turner actually. Value for money. So new, these are £850. Is that good value for money? So you're getting the hydraulics, you're getting 10-speed system. However, I do have a bit of a quibble with this one, because the seat supplied, the adjustable region is 50 mil that you can adjust the stem and the seat post, and so your saddle has got a bit of fore and aft adjustment, which is great. However, this, you've got no adjustment at all. You can't bring it up, you can't put it down. It just doesn't make any sense. You've got no adjustment on the front. So unless you've bought it new and it fits you really well in the shop in this position, and you've tried this bike in maybe at least 2, maybe 3 sizes, you're not going to know if that position is comfortable and in order to replace it, you've also got to replace the handlebars and the stem. So for me, would I buy one? I don't think I would, because of that one-piece stem system. I honestly don't know why they've done it. I think what it is, and this is going to sound unbelievably cynical, but because it's two pieces and they haven't had to then have a bolt and a clamp and then another bolt, when you pick it up in the shop it feels really light, and we're all told that light is better, and as a result people think, oh, this is really light, so they buy it. There's no practical reason to have a one-piece handlebar and stem. Just maybe for a carbon fibre road bike and you're really looking to save a few grams, but for everyday use I don't understand it. So no, I wouldn't buy one, because I think unless you absolutely love that position and you can get yourself comfortable, maybe if you could switch the switch the saddle so it's got longer rails, so you've got a bit more adjustment fore and aft. For me, Boardman have just ruined a really good bike by fitting something that just doesn't need to be fitted. So no, I wouldn't buy one. I hope you've enjoyed this review. If you've got a different opinion, we'd love to hear it in the comments. If you own one of these, we'd love to know what you think of it and how it rides. More importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see all of our bike reviews and everything else we do. Thanks for watching.